Hello, in this video I will show you how you can remove this date from the home screen on Google Pixel 10. First of all, you have to open the Play Store and install some third-party app. Search for the Microsoft Launcher and download it to your Pixel 10. After that, open this app and you will be able to set up the Microsoft Launcher, and as you can see, right now I have this date on my home screen. So basically only this allows you to remove date from home screen. If you want to change the launcher to the Pixel launcher, you have to open Microsoft Launcher, go to Advanced Settings, switch to another launcher and select Pixel Launcher. Click on it, and now as you can see I am back into the Pixel Launcher. So I recommend you to use the Microsoft Launcher if you want to get rid of the date from the home screen. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.